Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net. Thank you for while you're here. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell. All right. Today we're gonna go ahead and jump off into the video. Is over the Allen Heath AVANTIS console.
All right, guys, we're going to show you your mixer configurations that you really need to set up even before you get going on doing everything else on your console when you first get it out. So what you want to do is you want to go to setup, and I'm already there. You'll probably be in control. But what you want to do is you want to go up here at the top. You want to go over to config, and then after you go to config, you want to hit mixer config, and right here you can select, how many groups, because you have 40 outputs that you can have on this particular console. So you have to pick and choose how you want, to use those. So right now what we have are 8 effects used up, using 40 of those. 8 of those 40. Then you have 8 mono oxes using some of those 40. We have 5 stereo oxes using some of those 40, which of course would be 10 of those channels. So, and you can see the rest of them. Now over here it shows you how many mixes I have left to be able to use. So just like if we wanted to add some more oxes, what we would do is just select whether we want them to be mono or stereo. So let's just say we wanted to add 2 more sets of oxes, stereo sets, so which would use up 4 channels for us. So let's take this up to 7, and that should take it down to 2 over here. See, so that shows us that we have 2 channels remaining left. All right. So, and then you also use those with your matrices and all that kind of stuff. And so, and then you have your stereo left and right, which of course you definitely want that, not unless this is used just for a monitor console or something like that. So after you config that, then what you want to do is hit apply, and then it'll set it up on the console, and then you'll be ready to go. So that's how you do your mixer configuration for your main channel strips, and you'll be ready to go whether you're doing monitors, front house, or whatever. But please make sure you do that first before you get started. Then that way you don't have to go back, or you're trying to figure out why I don't have enough oxes, or why are these oxes throwing up mono but I need them to be stereo. This is where you do it, and this is where you set it up at.
All right, guys. Appreciate you staying around to the end of the video. That's it. That's set it up. So, but thank you for staying around to the end of the video. This has been Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We'll talk to you guys in a minute. Peace.